O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you. Do you want to hear a story?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Listen the story. Okay, listen the story. I will ask you question at the end of the story. All are very happy to listen the story. Okay, good. Now you please listen here. Okay. There was a pond, P-O-N-D, pond. Do you know what is a pond? Having water? Pond. Okay.
Yes.
So in the pond, there was a crocodile. See, in the pond, there was a crocodile. Okay, crocodile, no? That's a big one. So there was a pond. In that pond, there was a big crocodile. So one day, means once, this crocodile was very hungry. Okay, this crocodile was very hungry. So he looks for the food. He looks here and there. So in the pond, there may be small fishes, no? In the pond, there may be small fishes. So he looks here and there. Okay, so he saw some fishes. Okay, so he looks the left side, he saw some of the fishes. He looks right side, he also saw some of the fishes. Now, I will try to draw the fishes. Okay, let me share the screen. So the crocodile look at the left side and right side. Okay. No need to write. Listen to me. Listen to me. Okay. So he saw some small fishes. He saw some small fishes, his left side and right side. I don't know how to draw the fish, but I will try. Does it look like fish?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Ma'am,
Huh?
right?
No.
Okay, ma'am.
No need to write. Listen to me. Let me complete the story. Okay. How many fishes you can see?
Four.
Yes, the left side.
Four.
There are four fishes. Then he look at his right side. Okay. He look at the right side. So he saw only this much. How much? Two. Only two. Okay. So his left side he saw four. His right side he saw two. So which side he will open his mouth? Is it the left side or right side?
Left side.
Left side. Why? Left side there are four fishes. More fishes are there. Left side there are four fishes, but right side it is two only, no? So the crocodile will open his mouth towards the biggest number, no? 4 and 2. Which is the biggest number, bigger number?
4.
4. That side he will open his mouth. Okay. That side he will open his mouth. Now it is. Now he open his mouth. He opened. The crocodile opens his mouth towards the biggest number. His teeth. Okay, so here you can see numbers 4 and 2. And also, you know, 4 is more. 4 is more than which number?
Two.
Is more than 2. Very good. 4 is more than 2. Or we can say 4 is, instead of this more than, we can say another word, that is greater than. Greater. Greater than 2. Okay. We can say 4 is more than 2 or 4 is greater than 2. So this greater than, no, it's a big word, not greater than. So instead of this words, we can write, we can write a symbol. Okay, we can draw a symbol, and this symbol is this one. This is the symbol, the open mouth of the crocodile. So this symbol we call it as greater than. This symbol we call it as greater than, or we can write 4 is greater than 2. Okay, using the symbol we can write 4 is greater than 2. See, this is the mouth of the crocodile. Its mouth is always open where there is more number. See, if we draw this symbol here, this is a closed side. This is open, no? This side is open, this side is closed. So this open side is always towards the bigger number. Okay. Now, another day, the same thing happened. See, this crocodile was very hungry. So he looks here and there. So he saw some fishes. Okay. Now, let me draw. So he saw some fishes. How many fishes are there?
2.
There are only 2. Now we look at the right side. Okay, we look at the right side. So there also some fishes were there. Fishes were there.
Four.
So how many fishes are there?
5.
There were 5. There were 5. So the crocodile will open his mouth towards which number? Is it 2 or 5? He will open his mouth. He will open his mouth. The crocodile will open his mouth towards the bigger number. That means 5. Okay. So he opens his mouth towards the bigger number. That means 5. See, like this. He opens his mouth towards the bigger number. Here you can see 2 and 5. So we can say 2 is it less or more compared to 5? 2 is less. Small. 2 is less than 5. Or we can say 2 is smaller than 5. Okay, instead of less than, we can say smaller than 5. Now, look at the mouth of the crocodile. Look at the mouth. See his mouth. See?
5.
This symbol, not this symbol. This symbol we use for less than or smaller than. So instead of the word smaller than, we can use this symbol. See, 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. This symbol we call it as less than. Now one more thing. See this symbol. We write the capital letter L like this, no? Capital letter L.
Yes.
Now this we are tilting, or we are just slanting this L. So we will get this symbol. Yes or no? So the first letter of less than, it is L. First letter of letter of less than, it is L. Okay. So capital letter L, we are just tilting or slanting. So we will get the symbol of less than. Okay. So here we saw two symbols. Here we saw two symbols. One is greater than, another one is less than. Okay. If the both sides of the crocodile is equal number of fish, look at like that, equal number of fish. So which symbol we use for comparing numbers? Equal to. The equal to sign we will use. I will share the screen. I will tell once again. Listen here. See, if the number of fishes, see, number of fishes. This side also, we can see some of the fishes. How many are here? Here we can see 2. Here also we can see 2. So here we can see 2 is equal to 2. And instead of this equal to, we can use the symbol this one. This we already know, I think. 2 is equal to 2. For a square, there are equal sides, no? Equal sides. So for the symbol, for the word equal to, we will use this symbol. Now, today we are discussing comparison of numbers. Today we are discussing comparison of numbers. Comparison. What is this compare or comparison? Compare in numbers. See, sometimes we will compare the height of the children. No. Sometimes we will compare the height of the children. See, when we stand for the assembly, the smallest one will come in the front and the tallest will be at the back. So there we are comparing the heights. Okay. Sometimes we will compare the weight of the students. Okay. So compare means we will compare with some other measurements. We will compare the measurements. So today we are discussing compare numbers and we will use the 3 symbols. Which are the 3 symbols? Less than, greater than, equal to. Less than, greater than, equal to. What we should remember in our mind, the mouth of the crocodile is always open to where there is more number. Okay, where there is more number. I will share the screen and listen to ma'am. I will show you one picture. It's there in the text.
Can you write?
Okay, see, listen here. Yes, Gayatri, you got the same picture. See the crocodile. You can see in the first picture. You can see his left side 2 fishes are there and right side only 1. So he will open his mouth towards the bigger number. No, sorry, here it is 4. He will open his mouth towards the bigger number. That means 4. Okay, so the crocodile's mouth is open where there are more fish. 4 is more than 1 or 4 is greater than 1, or we can write 4 greater than 1. We use the symbol greater than. This is the symbol for greater than. Now the same way next side also you can see, left side you can see 2 fishes, right side you can see 3 fishes. The crocodile's mouth is closed where are less, or 2 is less than 3, or 2 is smaller than 3, or we can write 2 less than symbol. See, less than. It's look like a capital letter L. We are just slanting. So we will get the symbol less than. Okay. Now one more symbol is there, that is equal to. If both sides are same number, we will use what? We will use equal to. Now listen here. We can do some. Tell me.
We have to write.
No need to write. Listen to ma'am. Now you please listen here. So we discussed today 3 symbols. One is this one, another one is this one, another one is this one. Okay. Now this we already know. This is equal to. Now see this symbol. This is look like a capital letter L, no? Slanted capital letter L. That is less than. That is less than. So if this is less than, what will be this? It's just opposite. That means greater than.
Greater.
Okay, it is greater
Greater
than.
than.
Now you have to remember that always the mouth of the crocodile will open towards the bigger number. Now we are comparing or we are filling with these symbols. Okay, and we have the first one, that is 4, 7. So we have to use the symbol here. Okay, 4, 7. Which is a bigger number, Nesta? 4 and 7. It's the big, 7 is the bigger number. 7 is the bigger number. So the mouth of the crocodile will open towards the bigger number, no? So it
7.
will be open like this. This is the open side and this is the closed side. Okay, if we draw this is open and this is closed. So always the open side towards the bigger number. So this we will read as 4 is less than 7. See, less than symbol. No, it is. So 4 is less than 7. Now another number. Okay, listen here. Another one. It is B. And Srisham, tell me the answer. Okay, and the number 5474. 5474. Which is a bigger number, Srisham, here?
74.
74 is the bigger number. Now, 74. So, towards the bigger number, the mouth of the crocodile will be open. Okay, so the same symbol. This we call it as less than. So 54 is less than 74. 54 is less than 74. Now we will check another numbers. See, C. And it is, Helen, tell me the answer. Okay, 8 dash 4. Which is a bigger number, Helen, in 8 and 4?
8.
8. So towards that number, the mouth will be open. Okay. So it will come like this. So what is the symbol, Helen? This symbol, what is the symbol we call it as? Very good. It is greater than. So 8 is greater than 4. 8 is greater than 4. Now let us see one more question. And the question is 13 dash 13.
We have to write.
Jaswin, tell me the answer. Jaswin, which symbol we will use here? 13 dash 13. Is it less than or greater than or equal to?
Ma'am, this one we have to write.
No, no. Listen. Jaswin, which symbol we will use here? Both said the same. So we will use equal to. We will use equal to. 13 is equal to 13. 13 is equal to 13. Now once again, today we compare the numbers using the symbols. And we have 3 symbols. Greater than, less than, and equal to. If both sides same number, we will use equal to sign. Okay. And the other two, there is an easy method to put the symbol. That means where there is the bigger number, there that side the mouth will be open. Okay. The mouth will be
ma'am.
open. And less than or smaller than, that symbol is look like as a capital letter L. Now let's write in the notebook.
Yes.
So please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook. Let me share the screen. Take notebook. And at the top, you can write compare numbers. COMPARE. 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 Compare.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good. Compare numbers. 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 C-O-M-P-A-R-E. Compare numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S.
Ma'am, Christabel have completed.
Okay, good.
Diamond have completed. Helen completed.
Now, if you have completed, we can draw two boxes. So, left side you draw one box, leave some space and draw another box. And inside this box, we have to draw balls. We have to draw some balls. And here we have this much.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So, how many balls are there?
4.
In the first box, how many balls are there? How many balls are there?
7. 7.
Is it a 7 in the first one?
8.
8 are there. What about the second box?
5.
5. Please draw the box, and inside the box, please draw the balls.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good, good, very good. Now please be quiet. Let them complete others. We can wait for others. Let them complete.
I have finished.
Now, here we can see 8. The other number is 5. So, which is more?
8.
8. We can write 8 is more than 8 is more than, complete it. 8 is more than
5.
5. Here it is 5. Number of balls is 5. So we can say 8 is more than 5.
More
8 is more than 5.
than
M-O-R-E, more.
5.
T-H-A-N, than. 8 is more than 5. Or instead of this more than, we can use another word. That is 8 is greater. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater than 5. 8 is more than 5, or we can say 8 is greater than 5.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
we want to write this also.
Yeah, yes, yes. Yes, sister, you have to write.
I have completed.
Now, instead of this greater than, now we can use a symbol. This, now you can write the symbol
The
THE, the symbol SYMBOL, symbol.
Finish, ma'am, Christabel.
Christabel, please show the thumbs up. Okay, you need to tell me every time completed, completed. You can show me the thumbs up.
Okay, ma'am.
So the symbol for FOR, for greater than is. So we can using the symbol, we can write 8. Now greater than symbol 5. So this will read as 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5.
It's completed.
Okay, good.
Either even have completed.
Okay, so we can write one more time 2 boxes. Now inside this box, we can draw flowers.
Ma'am, is it flowers?
Yeah. So how many flowers you can see in the left side?
2 flowers.
2 flowers. What about the right side?
5.
5.
5.
So 2 and 5. So which is less here? Which is small? Which number is small?
2.
2. Very good. So we can write it 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5.
Ma'am Gayatri, I have completed.
Okay, good. So instead of this less than, we can use another less, less, than, less than. 2 is less than 5.
Ma'am, 2 is completed.
Okay, good, good, very good.
Ma'am, 2 stable.
So instead of less than, we can say smaller than. Once again, right? 2 is smaller than. SMALLER. Smaller than 5. 2 is smaller than 5.
2 is SMAL. Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good, 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 Gayatri.
R
So fast today.
small
Now we can wait for others, Gayatri.
T H A N then 5.
2 is smaller than 5.
5.
So instead of this word smaller than, we can use the symbol. So the symbol for smaller than is this. So using the symbol, we can write 2 less than 5.
The
So only this much. So take time and write. The symbol for smaller than is, put the symbol, and 2 is smaller than 5.
M B O L
Is there Aradhya today? Is there Aradhya present today?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
My phone battery low. Can I leave?
What's your name?
Aiden.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Then what about Aldrich Dixon? Is he present today?
No.
No. Then Fahim Hassan? Fahim?
No.
Satvik Vinod?
No.
Satvik Vinod?
No.
So the absentees are Satvik Vinod, then Fahim Hassan, Aldrich Dixon, Aradhya. All others are present.
Ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good. So we discussed today compare numbers.
Ma'am,
And we have
I
three
have
symbols
completed.
greater than, less than, and equal to. If both sides having the same number, we will use equal to sign, and less than and greater than according to the number. That means where there is a bigger number, that side the mouth of the crocodile will be open. So according to that, we have to put the symbol. So I will share the notes in the group. So those who didn't complete, please complete from that. Okay. So we will continue the next class. Thank you for joining. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye.